Hello everyone, my name is Amit and today's topic is harmful effect of mobile phone. Excessive mobile phone use can lead to various harmful effects including sleep disturbance, eye strain, mental health issue and physical health problems like neck pain and reduced physical activity as well as potential negative impact on social skills and academic performance. Here are more detailed look at the potential harmful effect of mobile phone usage. Physical health, eye strength and vision problem. Prolonged screen time can lead to eye strain, dry eyes and even vision problem. Sleep disturbance. The blue light emitted by the mobile phone can interfere with the sleep pattern and melatonin production, leading to insomnia and difficulty in falling asleep. Text neck and musculoskeletal issue. Looking down at the phone for extended period can put a strain on the neck and back, potentially leading to pain and other musculoskeletal problem. Radiation exposure. While the radiation emitted by the mobile phone is generally considered low, some studies suggest that potential long-term health risks associated with prolonged exposure. Reduced physical activity. Excessive screen time can lead to a sedentary lifestyle and reduced physical activity, contributing to obesity and other health problems. Mental and social health. Increased stress and anxiety. Constant notification and the need to stay connected can contribute to the increased stress and anxiety level. Social isolation. Despite being a tool for communication, mobile phone can also lead to social isolation as people become more focused on their devices than on face-to-face interaction. Addiction and dependence. Mobile phone can be highly addictive, leading to the compulsive use and difficulty disconnecting, which can negatively impact mental health and well-being. Impaired social skills. Excessive screen time can negatively impact the development of social skills and communication abilities as people spend less time engaging in real world interaction. Cyberbullying and online predators. Mobile phone and social media platforms can expose users to cyberbullying and online predators, which can have serious psychological consequences. Academic and cognitive function. Poor academic performance. Excessive mobile phone use can lead to decreased focus, difficulty in concentrating, and poor academic performance. Impaired cognitive function. Studies suggest that excessive mobile phone use can negatively impact cognitive function, including attention span and memory. Distraction in education. Mobile phone can be a significant distraction in educational settings, leading to decreased learning and engagement. Thank you.